Hi, I bet you're wondering what that is and what you're doing here. Well, that's the rollover convincer. And these unlikely souls, along with yourself at home, are about to find out exactly what happens in a rollover crash. Well, I'm convinced. Safety belts just became my new BFF. Trooper Perez?
Hi everybody, I'm Trooper Mike Perez with the Texas Department of Public Safety, and I've been asked to give you and everybody watching a little heads up. Local police, county sheriffs, and Department of Public Safety troopers will be out looking for people, especially people your age who aren't wearing their safety belts. And that includes people in the back seat. If we see you without a safety belt, we are going to write you a ticket.
That's part of the Click It or Ticket campaign, right?
Exactly. Zero tolerance. If you're not wearing your safety belt, you will receive a citation.
Well, I'm convinced. Remember to wear your safety belts. It can save you a lot of money and can save you from getting seriously injured. We now return you to your regularly scheduled lives already in progress.